Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create bug tracking workflows on Asana, a fantastic tool for managing projects and keeping your team on track. Okay, step one is to create a new project in Asana. This is where your bugs will live. We do this because it helps to keep all bug-related tasks in one place. This will make it easier for you to manage them and for your team to see what they need to work on. Now that we've done that, step two is to set up your project's sections. Think of these as the stages in your bug tracking workflow. For instance, you might have sections like reported, in progress, ready for review, and closed. The reason we do this is so we can visually track the progress of each bug as it moves through the workflow. Next up, step three is to create custom fields. These allow you to capture additional information about each bug. For example, you could create fields for priority, affected component, and reported by. This helps us because it provides more context about the bug, aiding in its resolution. Moving on, step 4 is to create a bug report template task. This will serve as a blueprint for reporting bugs. Include all the information a team member would need to understand and fix the bug. The reason we do this is to standardize bug reporting, making it easier for everyone to understand what's going on. Finally, step 5 is to set up rules in your project. Asana allows you to automate certain actions, like moving a bug to a different section when its status changes. This helps us because it saves time and ensures that bugs are always in the right place in your workflow. And there you have it. You've set up a bug tracking workflow on Asana. This process will help you and your team manage and resolve bugs more efficiently. Asana's flexibility means you can adjust this workflow to better suit your team's needs. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.